This is a severe weather bulletin from the National Storm Channel with Chief Meteorologist Sam Lane.
And good evening, everyone. This is Meteorologist Sam Lane with the National Storm Channel with an update for you on the severe storm down in McIntosh, Pittsburgh, and now western Haskell counties. This is the same storm that produced the tornado warning earlier for southern McIntosh County. And right now it appears that there is a circulation over Carlton Landing, maybe just a tad east of Carlton Landing right now. But very strong winds are blowing out from this storm near Crowder, and this is moving towards Quinton. So if you live in Quinton, you need to batten down the hatches as a very strong gust of wind is moving in your direction. This is like a miniature outflow boundary here that's moving towards Quinton, and that's going to be arriving over the next few minutes with very strong and perhaps damaging winds. But at the same time, the circulation is being occluded, is it being kind of pinched off up towards the north and west, and so there is a circulation here right over Carlton Landing. This is what we kind of call a bookend vortice. So we could see a rotation strong enough to produce damage similar to a small tornado, or if not, in fact, a small tornado just east of Carlton Landing, south of Highway 9, there in extreme northeastern Pittsburgh and western Haskell County. So if you live east of Carlton Landing and south and east of Longtown, on over to the west of Whitefield, this general area right in here, you could experience a winds similar to a small tornado. But right now, extremely strong straight line winds are approaching Quinton right down here in the bright green. And so a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for that section of Pittsburgh County. And so we're watching this storm very, very closely. So if you live in those areas, batten down the hatches and be prepared for extremely strong winds in a very short period of time. All right, let's go over the safety rules. Cellar, basement, or safe room. Lowest floor, away from outside walls and windows. Small interior room. Bathrooms work best because the plumbing in the walls have a tendency to hold the walls together a little bit better. Closet, hallway is also okay. Protect your head from flying debris with helmets. And again, goes without saying, no mobile homes and no vehicles. And that's the same for straight line winds as well. Just because it's not a tornado, straight line winds such as this moving over that area can produce damage similar to a small tornado and can roll trailer homes. So folks in Quinton, be prepared for some very strong winds getting ready to move into your general area. Here's a look at the reflectivity, and you can see a very strong storm over Longtown, probably producing some hail, and then you can kind of see this bowing out here of the thunderstorm. Those are the strong winds that are blowing out of the storm, and so that's approaching Quinton. So folks in Quinton, you need to be prepared for 70-mile-per-hour winds plus over the next 10 to 15 minutes. Stay with us and we'll keep advised.